guys a little bit. What a beautiful morning, nice and cool air. The beach is right there. Gonna wait shift a little bit. My plane is down there flying. You guys can see the clouds behind me. Hopefully they don't roll in. They're about 400 feet, which is what I'm flying right now. And I'm going to head on to where the cut, which is about 2 miles down the road. So that's where we're going right now. That got formed with Sandy, with the hurricane, and now the water here is a lot cleaner. Everybody is already with Jeeps down the beach, so we're gonna be doing a pass a little lower and try to get everybody on the view. Everybody is already with Jeeps down the beach, so we're gonna be doing a pass a little lower and try to get everybody on the view. Right now I'm heading towards the wind. It's flying at 23 miles an hour, so should be faster on my way back. There's fish on the water, the splashing, probably the eating. I believe in the bed. They should be start coming in. I have that's my more fuel. So I'm gonna try to save. I'm gonna try to save a little bit of energy. Just keep my brakes up. Just perhaps coast. Still going 23, so I should be going a little faster again when I get down the other way. Then I climb up a little bit and turn around and show you guys the inlet. I start going 27 miles an hour right now, 25 because I'm gonna start heading on downwind and see this. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn around and head back. walking back, gonna put my motor on the side, and I got 11 miles on 25 minutes. Average speed, it was 24 miles an hour. I just landed a little harder. My legs are still not quite strong, but I was flying half a trim, and as you guys can see, there is absolutely no wind. So I came a little too fast for my capabilities. But we're gonna wait for Miguel to land, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. I'm gonna take another fly and bring the camera up.